Hi, my name is Madeline Red-Weiss, and today I'll be making oven-baked zucchini chips for you. So the ingredients that you'll need for this is some milk, some garlic salt, some breadcrumbs, some Parmesan cheese, and last but not least, a zucchini. Once you have all of your ingredients, you're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 425, which I already did, so that's preheating right now. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take all your dry ingredients and you're going to mix them up into one bowl. So I'll be right back and I'll mix that for you. So I just mixed all my dry ingredients into one bowl, mixed it with a spoon. And then I took another bowl and I put some milk in there. And our next step is going to be to dip each piece of zucchini into the milk, both sides, and then dip it into the dry mixture, both sides, breading it on both sides. And then you're gonna lay each piece that you bread onto a pan that's covered in foil and then sprayed so that it doesn't stick while it's in the oven. So we're gonna start with the first piece, dip on both sides of the milk, and you can help use a spoon to cover it. And then kind of shake it out and then lay it on the tray. And you'll do that for each piece. And now that we have all of our zucchini breaded and spread out on the pan, we're going to put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. There are many health benefits to this side dish, including it's an easy thing to add to your diet and it can help with weight loss. It strengthens your vision and it contributes to healthy digestion, and it also is high in antioxidants. So our timer just went off, so we're gonna take out our zucchini. And this is the final product. And then you'll just use a spatula, make sure that they're not stuck. And they're not stuck, so now we're just gonna wait until they're cool so we can enjoy. So our last step is to move them from the pan into the plate. Once you have successfully moved them from the pan to the plate, you can enjoy. Thanks for watching.